Okay, so it's let's see, what time is it? It's 5:30 in the morning, and I wanted to get some really awesome drone shots.
Here's the moon. Still out.
So the drone is up in the air. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if we can zoom in. See, there it is right there. It's kind of blurry. And the alarm is going off. I don't know if you can see what it sees. The battery warning, it's down to 26. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it back and I'm going to put in a new battery and then put it back up there, because what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get a train. Hold on, let me clean this lens. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get a train to come by, and then what I want to do is I want to use slow motion so it'll be coming in and then it'll slow down really cool, like. Alright, so I'm going to bring it back. Let me set this up so maybe you can see it come back. I'm going to change the battery now. You don't want to lose these batteries. They're $168. Slide that across. Okay, battery swapped out. And there it is. What to do now is I just have to wait for the train to come by. So once the train comes by, I'll be done here and I can move on to the next place. The train's coming, the train's coming. I got it. It's recording. I got it. It's here. Look, here it is. Now the drone is just sitting like way down there. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. See? Oh. Okay, so I got the shot. Now I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna record it taking off too, the train leaving. See, so now I can make it buttery smooth, I can slow it down. Now the train's leaving. Oh wait, there's another one coming. Okay, so this is one of the buildings that Yonkers is now building in Larkin Plaza, in where the train station is. The train station is right there. Can't really see it because the trees are there, but look at this. Should I send the drone up? Should I send the drone up over there? Let's do it.
Careless smoking could kill you and your family.
So the question I want to ask you guys is, do you think that I can get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? And I have 15 videos on YouTube so far, and I'm trying to build an audience, and it takes a lot of patience, but it takes a lot of hard work too. I post my videos here in Facebook, but I also post them in YouTube. So every time I make a new video, I post it in I posted in Facebook, and then right below it is the link to the video, the same video in YouTube. So if you watch that video on YouTube, you can subscribe there.
Don't become a fire statistic.